Welcome to another session of MPMC programming. Today the topic is program for multiplication of two 16-bit numbers. How you multiply two 16-bit numbers is take two numbers A and B. So I have taken number A 0004, B 0002. For storing the result we have taken another memory operand, that is product. So when you multiply two words, that will give a double word. So I have declared product as double word. So I have used that assembler to DD. So here A is the first number, B is the second number, product will get the result. Here the logic is I want to use the registers AX, BX and DX. So I want to clear all the registers AX, BX and DX. So for that we have performed exclusive OR operation between the same registers. So exclusive OR AX will clear the AX register, exclusive OR BX will clear the BX register, exclusive OR DX will clear the DX register. For storing the result into the product, we will have two words, one from AX and another one from DX. So in order to store two words into the product, I want to point my result, that is a product with SI. For that we are using the instruction LEA SI comma product, that will store the address of the product into SI. So it points product by SI. Take the first number. Here in this figure you can see that product is pointed by SI. Take the first number into AX, that is 0004 into AX. Take the second number into BX, that is 0002 into BX. Then perform the multiplication. Mul BX will perform AX into BX and the result is stored in DX AX pair. 4 into 2 will produce 8. So AX will get 0008 and DX will get all zeros. We want to move our result 0008 into product. So product is already pointed by SI. So we are moving AX values into the square bracket of SI, which is nothing but a product. There is a second word which is stored in DX. So we are moving DX into the second part of the product, that is SI plus 2. So this is move AH comma force H interrupt 21H will close end of the execution. Let's move on to the execution part. Let's open TASM. I have already created the program. I have given the name as mul.asm. So I'm just opening that program. Edit mul.asm. Here you can see that this is a program where we have taken two numbers A, B, number 4 and 2, and for storing the result we have taken another memory operand, that is product. So let's save this program. Perform the assembling operation, that is a TASM. So TASM, name of the file, that is mul.asm. So there are no errors and warnings. Let's perform the linking operation, that is t-link, and name of the program, that is mul. Now my file extension is obj, because after assembling you will get the object file. Linking also successful. Let's execute the program. Td, name of the file is mul. Now my extension is exe, because after linking you will get the executable file. This is the turbo debugger window. Let's execute the program by just pressing the F7. Why we are pressing the F7 is it gives you the execution line by line, so that you can observe what are the changes that are occurring to the registers. So I'm just pressing F7. So first it performs the initialization of the data segment, and we are clearing registers AX, BX and DX, and we are pointing product with SI. Now take the first number into AX. Here you can see that 4 is moved to AX. Take second number into BX. You can see that 2 is moved into the register BX. Next we are performing mul BX. So 4 into 2 it will store the value 8. So here you can see that 8 is moved into AX, and we are moving the result AX into product by using square bracket SI, and the value, the remaining second part of the multiplication, that is another word, is moved into second part of the product, that is SI plus 2. So before closing the execution, I want to show you the result. For that, press Alt View, that is View, open the menu View, go to Dump, press Enter. Here you can see that 0400 is the first number, 0200 is the second number, and the product is 08. So 08 is our answer. So this is the output. Close the dump. Again press F7. That will terminate execution of your program. So this is the program to multiply two 16-bit numbers and get the product. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.